Jackson, go get George.
And action.
Go get George. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, gotta take a break halfway. Hi, baby.
Now sit. Sit, Jackson. Good boy.
Get George.
Yeah, wave to George.
Get him. You can do it. There you go.
Your arms are going faster than your legs are, bud. That's a problem.
Jackson.
Well, smash Aunt Margie's door. You just made a mark on it.
Jackson, say bye-bye.